Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on HONOR X7c. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. Now you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel, and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and you can click turbo placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.